What's up, Tim Sykes, Millionaire Mentor and Trader here. I'm reviewing my trades, trying to help you understand the market better because we can never forget 90% plus of traders lose, and past performance is not indicative of future returns. So this is not an exact science. You must learn to adapt to the market, figure out what works best in any given market environment, and figure out what works best for you. So I'm going to show you a clip from this morning where I'm looking at the market on a Monday morning. I had one position over the weekend. I ended up locking it in for a profit of roughly $3,500 over the weekend. I had already taken half my profits late Friday. You'll see that I often exit or minimize a position overnight or over the weekend because there's always overnight or over the weekend risk. But I held that position overnight, and then I also took some trades right near the open, going for morning spikes, trying to dip buy a stock into a morning panic. Kind of interesting. OZSC is the one that I dip bought, and I made another quick roughly 4,500. So in the morning I was up like 8,000 on two trades, which is fantastic. But I sold OZSC. I bought it in the 10s and I ended up selling it like right around 12. It finished around 20 cents on the day. It was a gradual uptrend all day, so I didn't have to sell it at all. 8 cents a share, no big deal. It doesn't sound like much, except I had a few 100,000 shares. So left some money on the table there, but still made, roughly 4 grand. When the market is opening right near the market open, you have to really be decisive. You can't just say, oh, is this gonna panic? Like maybe I buy it, maybe I don't. Seconds matter, especially for these morning spikes, So sometimes I get a partial execution. You'll see that I'm rushing a lot, but I'm always looking at key levels and I'm trying to think of my plays before I actually risk my hard-earned money. Don't feel the pressure to trade ever. Actually leave a comment below this video saying I will be patient. It's good to be prepared for fast moves, but also understand sometimes you don't need to trade. Sometimes it's good just to do nothing. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. So stay patient, study up, check out what happened this morning. So now 15 minutes in, OZSC is fading a little bit. SNPW still up a ton. ABML up to 450s. Jack is getting squeezed there. Now OZSC will be my #1 potential dip buy because it also spiked the most. And I would love to see this really drop. Oh, Jack is still shorting more ABML. Very dangerous, Jack. Let me tell him to be careful. Oh yes, OZSC, perfect little panic off the highs. $2 a share off its, 2.5 cents a share off its highs. Wow, OZSC is beautiful dipping. Chewing through everything. Under 12. Wow, this is a beautiful panic on OZSC. Let's see how low it can go. Wow, 11.3. Unbelievable. Come on. Oh, come on, E-Trade. You're killing me. Getting it in the 10s off of the highs of the 14s. This is beautiful. God, selecting the newsletter, dip buying OZSC. Huge dip buy. Beautiful, all in just a few minutes. Absolutely stunning. Bouncing now to the 11s. I caught the dip very nicely. Oh my God, I'm up nearly $4 on that dip buy. If I can get out, absolutely beautiful. E-Trade desktop is still slow, so I'm using E-Trade Pro. Pretty ridiculous that the desktop is failing to load, but E-Trade is just overwhelmed. Nice penny a share bounce. I am crushing it right now on OZSC. Let's see how many shares I have. Nailed that dip buy, did not chase, good patience all around. Come on, E-Trade, you piece of crap, I have a position. Holy crap, the desktop. You want to get angry, but these brokers are just overwhelmed. They can't handle all the freaking orders. That is the risk. Nice little 5K win so far. Come on! Unbelievable. But I'll take it, because I had the patience on OZSC. We're going through all the motions. We're looking at all the different plays. I'm focused on the single biggest percent winner. I cut COUV. What did I miss? Barely anything. Actually, COUV is down a penny from where I sold. OZSC, much bigger percent winner, much better panic, much more comfortable. It's now the perfect bounce. This is what I love seeing. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Selling now in the 11.9s. I got in the 10.8s. Over, I mean, a penny a share doesn't sound like much, but when you have a 400,000 share position, and I think I am out. E-Trade's not loading. Oh, just got the rest. 11.9, 11.98. Good. I love it. Now it's at 12.1, but I'm happy. 0.119. Absolutely stunning. Perfect bounce. Glad I exited COUV safely and went into a far more volatile. So now it's 12.3. So I sold too soon. Another $2,000, but I'm happy. Far more volatile. So now I'll be looking for other ones. Oh, someone's saying SNPW, give us a bounce. Oh, or give us a panic. I don't know. I haven't looked at it yet. Someone says, watch that. And now, I mean, OZSC is now 2 cents a share. So that's at $8,000 profit potentially. But now I'm going to focus on the dip buy potentially on SNPW, another multi-day runner. I'm literally just moving over from OZSC.